you're asked to find the slope of the line below, and as you can see, the slope is rise over run when we're looking at slope. So for this line, I'm looking at the point that crosses the y-axis, so I'm going to go from that point, and I can go down, looks like down 1, and to the right 3. So I went down 1, so that would be -1, and then 1, 2, 3, and that's where I hit the line again. So down 1 to the right 3, so that would be -1/3 for my slope. Let's look at another question. Here you were asked to graph a line. Well, this isn't a line, this is a parabola. So first of all, this needs to be a line. And it says graph the line that has the x-intercept. So I need to plot these 2 points, or put my line at -3, 0. And we always start here in the origin, and I go -3, 0. So I've got my line. So -3 and 0. The first number I go left or right, the second number I go up or down. So since it's 0, I stay right here. So there's my first. And then 0, 2, well, that's going to be starting here. I don't go anywhere left or right, but I go up 2. So that would be my line for this particular question. Again, you're asked to plot the points. And it looks like it went to -6, but you didn't go up to 2. So let's clear that one. So we go to -6, and then the second part of the ordered pair is 2. So I'll go up 2. And then the next ordered pair, 6, -2, means I go over to 6, and then I go down to, I'm going to have to fix my other one because I went up to 4, not 2. Let me go back. All right, so there's -6, 2, so right there. And then the other one's at 6, -2. So now we're good. I went -6, 2. So here's the point. The point goes at -6, 2. And here I went 6, -2, and that's where my point goes for that line. Here again, we're asked to graph a line. This time we're not given points, but we're given an equation. And when I'm given an equation in slope-intercept form, I'm going to start with the y-intercept, which is at -1. Then I'm going to use my slope. Well, my slope is -2. Think of that as -2 over 1, so I go down 2, and then to the right 1. Because it's rise over run, and since it's negative, I go down 2 to the right 1. To write the equation of the graph, so we're given a line, and it's wanting the equation of this line. So the -1 is good because that's the y-intercept, so that's good. However, there's more to it. I need the slope, because remember it's y mx plus b. Well, we know the b, that's -1, so we got that part. I need to know what the slope is. I need to figure out what my slope is. And it looks like, so again, I'm going to start and see if I can find points that I know, which this one's kind of difficult. Well, here's one. So that's at 2, -2. So I'm going to go up 1, 2, 3, and then to the left 2. So that's positive up 3, and then to the left 2. So that's going to give me a negative. Looks like a -3/2 for this particular question. So I'm going to double check. There's my y-intercept, which is the -1. And then the slope, again, I could go up 3, 1, 2, 3, to the left 2. So that's +3, -2. Or I could have went down 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, and to the right 2. Still -3/2.